Welcome to a nice review of this Princess Bakery Celebration. So here's the back. So let's do this. Mommy, I need scissors.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We speak better way, so yes. You guys don't have to be worried about that. We just speak different language sometimes. Not all the times. There. Princess Celebration. Come on out. Come on out, baby. This isn't coming out. Oh, okay. Someone help me. I can do it myself, I guess. Oh, yeah, I can help with that. No, my mom's just trying to open it. So this is where we open it. Okay. Oh, this is hard to open now. You get to see the background, but let's not do it. Pop these stuff out. These babies out. Here's Mrs. Cake. Hello, everybody. We just lay them over here. Mom's just putting their stuff out. Table. Let's put these pieces aside and we can't get this out. Okay. I'll be setting it up, so yeah. Right there, Mrs. Cake right here, the oven. I'm trying to set it up, okay? I'll put these in the oven. Where's the cupcakes? Oh, there are the purple cupcakes. First, let me show you what accessories came with it. We have this. With the cupcakes, we'll just slide it in the oven. Oh, dang it! I'm not a famous YouTuber to tell you. My brother's sleeping. That on top. The oven sheet. There.
Yeah, really high camera.
Yep, I know. The cake's right there. She can hold. Let me just get her stuff out. You know what I mean. Okay, done with that. There I go. Just get Mrs. Cake's hair nice and beautiful. I will make it like this. me just put her hat on. The hat is like... Okay, okay. She has the baking stuff. Isn't she supposed to hold it? Yep, she's supposed to hold it. And the measure. There you go. You just undo her hair and make her hair go like, you know, as normal. Is this supposed to be like Minty or something? I forgot her name. Swirly something. Leave it in the comments so I can know. Okay. Something right like there. Okay, we'll put the other tools like right here. Okay. Mommy, we're done with the scissors. Can you put them back? So yeah, ooh, the cupcakes are ready. The cupcakes are ready. Let's go. Okay. Let me see. Oh, the cupcakes are ready. Let me get the cupcake out. Here's cupcake 1 and cupcake 2. See, this is what they look like when they're all gone. Here, let me show you guys a closer look at her. Wait, let me just get their tail thing off. Here is Mrs. Cake. Put her right there. We'll just say she's the Philly Minty, I guess. What's her name? Swirly something? Let me see if I can do like a 2 braid on her. Because let's just say what I all know about braids. We can leave her hair normal. Or if she wants to wear the chef hat, I don't think she can fit it though. Oh, Phillies are so cute wearing it. You can keep it, but it has to looks like that. So there's Mrs. Cake. Okay, and that's the end of this other video. Now we're going to do my brothers. True, I'm just going to tell him I already made the video without him because he needs to sleep. Now, we'll put those aside. Now, this is what my brother got. He got... Yep, Power Ranger Megaforce. Okay. Let me go get the scissors. Scissors? They're the baby scissors. Okay then. Don't tell me they're in the sink. posters. Wait. Mommy, get scissors. Get it out. Oh, okay. Right here, I found it. Sorry if you guys were just like looking at it. I found some frozen posters too. Frozen posters. I'm just reviewing it.
That package,
I
right?
know.
Don't want to buy it up.
Aw, I wish I could. Well, I'll just open this mine. Okay, the posters. They're wrapped up. Let me show you which one I wanted. Yes, this was the one I wanted. Okay, this poster is going to hang in my room later. Let's see this one, see what it is. Oh yeah, that one's Patrick's. Right. I seriously don't know which one's mine. So... Oh, we both got the same thing. Let me just, you know. Whoa! It's not the same as mine, though. Well, gonna roll this up. Can't even fit in the camera. I can't have this long video, so this will be the end.